Hey everybody, it's Matt Collins with eXp Realty, here with Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. Today, I wanted to ask Taylor, I get asked quite a bit, what all does it cost to buy a house? So what, as a buyer, how much money do I need to budget for? So from a real estate side, I am familiar with, familiar with earnest money. In our area, that can be anywhere from $500 to $1,000. Home inspection, which is generally about $500. And the appraisal, which comes a little later down the road, but that's about another $500. What else should a buyer budget for?
So you have two big things. So you have your $1,500 worth of costs that you just talked through. But on the lending side, we have closing costs and we have down payment. Now, those are two separate things, right? So your down payment typically is going to be a fixed percentage of your purchase price. Now, there are genuinely 0% down programs, but not everybody qualifies for those. But let's talk through. You're typically going to see between 3 to 5% of your purchase price as your down payment. Now, your closing cost, again, just to kind of give you a general percentage, because each house is a little bit different, another 2 to 3% of your purchase price. Now, the cool thing about that is that you can sometimes get your seller to pay for your closing costs, which is great. But does that happen super often?
In this market, it's not unheard of, but it can be a little bit tricky. There's a plan for that. So when we come to that point, we'll definitely talk about it.
Yeah. So, and I always say budget for it. Expect that you have to pay it, because then you just have money left over if magically they do pay for it.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time.